September 1st. I am back home. I'm currently getting ready. Kasi alas kami. And yes, it's a Monday. Wala pa po akong pasok. Then, school is also suspended. So, lahat kami mag-mall. A little update. I am back home. Wala na ako sa condo. I just moved out within the end of August. Naka 2 years ako sa condo. And then, I'm still going to school. I still have my last term. So, uwian ako. Since, 4 na naman yung subjects ko. Tapos, 2 of those is special class. So, I really don't have to go to school palagi. So, yeah. Okay, so today, ang plano namin is, I don't know, maybe si ate is mag-grocery siya. Si mami, she will do errands. I'll probably check what I can buy for school. And I also need new clothes. And mga essentials ko. Yung. Tapos, what else? Ang pasokan ko is this Thursday. So, I still don't know. Kasi, ano update also, I cut my hair. Yes, kasi after ng thesis ko, I plan to cut my hair talaga. Kasi I didn't have time since sobrang busy with prods and all. Kasi after thesis ko, mayroon pang dalawang prod. So, the other one, hindi ako part, it's just the second thesis group. Nag-prod sila. Tapos after nila, mayroon kaming mini production for our introduction to musical theater. So, yeah. That's the current update.
Ang aga.
Sarap.
Bungi.
Kumamari. Wow.
Ngiti ka bilang ngiti. Wow, pugi naman.
Mika. Annyeong. I want to try this.
Bad choy? Pechay.
Pechay banjo ata.
Yeah.
Pechay. We are nag-grocery sa Festival Mall. Say hello, ate. Annyeong, Shimika.
Annyeong.
We are back. And we're both short-haired.
Wait, baby, tagal mo.
Okay. Hi. Good morning. It's 10:30. Kakatid ko lang kay ate sa terminal kasi papasok siya. Just look who's here! Someone's there. It's someone still. There's scary cat. Today is Wednesday, September 3. It's Amma's birthday. Pero wala pa kaming gagawin today. Mag-celebrate lang kami. Bibili ako ng cake. Pero sa weekend pa kami mag-celebrate and all. Hello! It's me again. It's the same day. It's 3:37 and I'm all fixed and beautiful. Beautiful! Oh, hindi. Okay. Anyways, I'm going out. Malamang, I'm driving nga eh. Going to the mall. I'm going to ATC. Kasi today is Mother's birthday. So I am buying her a cake. Syempre with ate's money. I'm just going out. Since ang out din ni ate is 5. So masusundo ko siya mga 5:36 or what. So yeah, I went out early. Kasi syempre gusto ko din ng alone time. I'm gonna walk around. Plus, tagal ko lang din pupunta ng ATC. Huli ko pa atang punta ng ATC is nung senior high ako nung nasa beta pa ako. So, and I'm really bored at home. I know I shouldn't be. Ano magagawa ko? I'm bored eh. Tsaka alam mo yun, parang hindi ka sanay. Kasi, before, you're used to you're so busy because of thesis this term, itong last term ko, hindi ko alam yung workload ko. Since I only have 4 classes left, isa dun is production, isa dun is teaching. But the workload is still there. Pero I don't know. So, with performances, sana marami pa din. Of course. Syempre, sayang naman yung last term ko kung hindi ako magpa-perform ng marami, di ba? So yeah, ayun. It's kinda gloomy out there. I will not buy anything, but I will not promise that I will not buy anything because since I am bored, but I am kinda hungry. Malis ako ng bahay. Kumain naman ako, but I'm still hungry. Si Lamon. Tomorrow is my first day of school. It's my first time also. Not really my first time. I brought me Red to school na before, but that's just like driving to school kasi may papanoorin akong show, but not really driving me Red to school because I'm going to school. Does that make sense? I don't know. But yeah, this term kasi, since kabalik na ako ng bahay, I don't have a condo anymore. Napag-usapan na namin ni ate na syempre, hiramin ko si Mired if I need to go to school. So, yeah, ayun. Pero siya, kailangan niya pa rin pumunta ng office, especially this month. Marami siyang kailangan niya pumunta ng office niya. So, since sa Makati lang naman si ate, minsan nahatid sundo ko siya, ganun. Pero yeah, it still depends on my schedule. Minsan din pag sobrang gabi ako, lalo na pag rehearsals and stuff, syempre makikitulog ako sa friends ko sa Taft. So yeah, ayun. Hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin. Well, nagsink in na sa akin na it's my last term, but it's still not sinking that I'm near being like adult because I'm gonna look for a job. I'm going to the professional world. Like, what? I have options kapag graduate ko. Kasi syempre tinatanong ako palagi ng family, ng friends, ganyan. What are my plans or what? I have options, but wala pa akong nakikitang company na I would want to apply to. Kasi ano mo yun? Ano mo ko pwedeng gawin? I can do performance, I can do directing, choreographing, I can do production works, I can also do marketing works. Kasi yung mga trabaho na gawa ko in my college years, not like trabaho outside, but trabaho inside the program, you know, and na-hone yung skills ko. So that's why confident ako in doing those. Yeah. But yeah, anyways, I'll update later when I'm in the mall. And hindi ko pa din alam kung anong cake ang bibilihin ko for mommy. Kasi sabi ni ate, I gave her options kanina, but she said, okay, these are too much, so go check this one store pa. And yeah, ayun. Then I'll update you now. Well, it's 5:43. Di ba sabi ko kanina, bibili ako ng cake. Wala pa kasi hindi ko si ate. Currently, dapat mga 6 nandito na siya. Kaso 6 o'clock daw yung P2P na masasakyan na. So now, sundayin ko si mami muna sa office kasi dami daw siyang dala. Kaysa na may pag-grab ko, ganun din. And then, pabalik ulit ako ng mall. Welcome na ni mami kasi sunduin si ate. Tapos yung cake pa. So yeah. Ayun. Now I'm driving to mommy. yourself, Mom. Try that. Oh, I have one. I have one. I have one. Wala, na-stuck sila sa taas. Yun. Just two. We are back together. And we're walking to the parking lot. Hindi na kami bumili ng cake. Kasi may dalawang cake. Uwi si Mami from office. So, I don't know. Is excited.
Dalawang Biscoff latte.
Yes.
Ice.
Yes. Large na. Yeah.
Isa
Happy ka? Mm-mm.
Tapos po yung hot boys medium size po.
Basta yung regular na.
Okay.
I've been vlogging since Monday.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Have your name.
What is today's? It's my birthday. Which month?